I'll never forget the first time I started taking my art seriously was during lockdown, when I challenged myself to do a piece a day for the 30 days of lockdown, which then obviously became 40 days. And the thing that I took away from it was that I was able to produce a piece a day. And lately I've been going back to sketching because I love hyper-realism and realism art, and I just wanted to push myself in terms of my creative boundaries to produce something that, when you look at it, could hopefully, in my mind, be as close to real as possible. That being said, when you have a look at this lion portrait that I've created, I've learned a lot in that charcoal doesn't necessarily stay the way you want it to stay. And if you blend it, most of it's going to just blow away. And while I did attempt to build up a flat black background, unfortunately, in my mind, I don't feel I succeeded. So my values are there, but unfortunately it also feels like extremes, and there's no real blending into the other to make it seem a little bit more realistic and a lot more 3D. But I hope that now that you've seen the end piece and watched some little scenes of me doing this, you enjoy it and maybe learn something from it, even though I haven't actually shared anything. But yeah, I thoroughly love this piece. It's my favorite personal piece, and I hope to do more in the future.